Hi everyone, I'm Philip with iRobot, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at the Roomba S9 Plus. First, we'll take a quick look at what comes inside the box. Next, we're going to show you why this robot is so unique and why you're going to want one. Then we'll wrap up and get you out of here. Got the Roomba itself. This is sitting on the clean base automatic dirt disposal, which is also its charging base. You've got one power cord to the charging base itself. We've got one extra high efficiency filter, along with one extra dirt disposable bag. So the first thing you're going to notice about the Roomba S9 Plus is the shape of it. It's unlike any other Roomba that's out there, and with our corner brush that reaches out in front of the robot itself, allows it to clean deep into corners. And it knows when it's time to step on the gas pedal by increasing its suction power on the carpeted areas. This can go up to 40 times the suction power over our 600 series models. So we've got a different shape, a corner brush, extra suction power on carpeted areas. What else does this have? How about 30% wider rubber brushes that allow better pickup performance on all floor types, plus anything over 4 inches, and Roomba S9 Plus can fit underneath. So think your dining room chairs, tables and legs, maybe your couch, entertainment center, or even under the bed. And with Dirt Detect, know that this Roomba will focus clean where it's needed the most. So under the bed where it might be a little bit more dirty because we tend not to get there with our own vacuums, Roomba S9 Plus will hang out in those dirtier areas, make sure it's clean before moving off to another. So this robot comes with some serious smarts, and that includes cleaning how, when, and where you want to in your home. Almost like we're going to do it ourselves, but we're going to tell Roomba S9 Plus to do it instead. Maybe you want to vacuum the entire home. Roomba S9 Plus can do that. Maybe you just need to vacuum the dining room. Roomba S9 Plus can do that too. How about sitting on the couch late at night watching the TV and I drop a few chips right in front of it, and that's the only place I need vacuumed in the entire home? It can do that too. But don't stop there. Maybe your living room needs a little bit more love and attention while your guest bedroom is usually empty like ours. Well, you can tell Roomba S9 Plus to make extra passes in the living room while less in the guest bedroom, or skipping it altogether without having to close the door. And did I mention you can do all of this through the iRobot Home app on demand from anywhere, set a repeating schedule, a favorite cleaning mission, or simply tell your favorite Alexa, Google, or Siri enabled device to tell your Roomba to clean however you want. Alright, let's try this out. Alexa, can you tell Roomba S9 Plus to clean the living room, please?
Okay, I'll tell Roomba to vacuum the living room.
For those that want an even deeper clean, make sure you pair the Roomba S9 Plus with our BravoJet M6 to get both vacuumed and mopped floors. When Roomba goes out and vacuums the rooms or areas you want in your home, when it's done, it'll tell the BravoJet M6, your turn. And then the BravoJet M6 will take off and go mop the rooms that you told it to go mop. So this is the Roomba S9 Plus, and you might be wondering what the Plus stands for. It means it comes with our clean base automatic dirt disposal, and this allows you to forget about vacuuming for months at a time. All the dirt and debris that Roomba picks up during each cleaning mission will be automatically emptied into the clean base, pulled up top into an enclosed disposable bag that's up here. When the bag is full, simply open the lid to the clean base here, pull the used bag up and out, throw this used bag in the trash, grab the nearby bag to replace it with, slide it on in, close the lid, and your Roomba and clean base are ready to use again. So I know that was a lot of information to digest. Let's recap quickly. The Roomba S9 Plus is unlike any other Roomba, where it has a flat front and some serious suction power to give it a really deep clean in your home. You can clean on your terms, and that includes how, when, and where you want in your home. And with the clean base automatic dirt disposal, you'll be forgetting about vacuuming for months at a time. By now, one of these should already be added to your shopping cart, but if it's not for some reason and you're still unsure on which product to purchase, please check out the other videos we have on them as well. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.